Tonight we made fried bean curd skin with shrimp, also known as tahoki, for dinner to eat with rice. This popular Vietnamese dish has an ultra crispy outside, a juicy shrimp filling, and a savory umami flavor. If you're using dried bean curd sheets, soak them for about 15 minutes, then pat them dry. In a food processor, add about 1 pound of shrimp, then add some garlic for aroma and flavor. Crack in 1 egg to help bind the filling together. Add a few stalks of green onions for freshness. Season with some white pepper. Then add half a teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Blend everything until it becomes a smooth, sticky paste with no large chunks remaining. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Cut the bean curd sheets into equal-sized pieces. Spread an even layer of the shrimp filling onto one sheet. Fold the top and bottom over the filling. Then fold in the sides to create a tight roll. If the edges don't stick, use a little water to seal them before frying. Pour enough oil into a pan so the rolls can be mostly submerged. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry a few rolls at a time, turning occasionally, until they're evenly golden brown, crispy, and cooked through. These crispy shrimp rolls are traditionally served with broken rice and a side of fish sauce or umami for dipping. The contrast of the crunchy shell and juicy shrimp makes every bite so satisfying. Give this dish a try tonight.
Please hit the subscribe button below.